Okay, cool. So we have a late 2006 model Clio 197, which is my personal car. It's the 197 variant, and here we have some spaces on the back. We've got a Scorpion catback exhaust system with the Clio 200 rear spoiler, and we've got some OEM Brembo brakes for increased stopping power, and yeah, that's sort of all the mods that I've done to it. Now under the bonnet, sorry for the noise, under the bonnet we have gold taped intake. We got the little power flex mount, we got oil catch can for the extra oil so it doesn't go back into the intake, and yeah, that's what we got. So that's basically all the mods what I've done for the car. Now to how it sounds. This car, to be honest, is pretty quick, but in my opinion it does need a turbo really bad. But once you get up in them rev ranges, the car literally just takes off. Like, you completely forget about needing a turbo and everything like that. But yeah, let's give the car some beans. Let's turn off traction control, and this is what we got. Renault is made for. All the back roads, it handles so well. You don't have to overthink about anything. You can give it all the beans and it literally just takes off. Honestly, what other car do you want? Let's slow right down. Oh, the Brembo's working right now. Let's downshift, get up in the rev range back. It's going, 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 and it's gone. Lovely. Amazing. Amazing. See, look, he's speeding up, he sees me. Amazing. Honestly. Such a brilliant car, especially for the track. Just a bit of exhaust, you know, intake, and you're sweet. Honestly, you're all sweet. Just work your gears properly and then you just literally know how to drive the car. You don't really need a turbo, but if you're going to stay in the lower ranges, then definitely you need a turbo. But once you're up there, you don't really need one. Downshift back to third. Give it more beans. Lovely. Use the brakes. Let's come to a full stop. Brembo brakes working. Perfect. Let's go again now. Ah, mate, takes off. It's a beast, bro. Whoa. Alright, let's slow down a bit now. This is so fast for 20 miles an hour, man. It's ridiculous. 20 miles an hour, bro. Wow, man. Literally. Wow, man, these back roads are just beautiful. Best. I'm speechless. I can't even talk. I'm speechless, man. I've never driven this fast in my car before. Wow, man. 30 roads. This is how fast 30 miles an hour is, man. It's crazy. Yeah, 30. Yeah, we're doing 30. Lovely, mate. Lovely. Everything is legal. This is on a private road. I own all this land right now. This car, he's just running deliveries for me. I ran out of milk. He just came to give me some milk. So it's alright. Look at the scenery, man. Look at this. Beautiful. 5th gear. It's all sweet. Slowing down horses, mate. Backing out. This motherfucker is big. See? We're not all boy races out here.
car slow. Gonna U-turn in a minute and take this car back up there. Traction control was off. Lovely. Nice little crackle and pop coming from the Clio. Sounds mental. Honestly, if you want a track car, this is the track car to get. Most people do engine swap it, supercharge it, which is not bad. In a lower rev ranges you do need it, but literally this car is sweet, bro. Let's drop it into second. Bit more beans, third gear, pull in. Ooh, slow down here for the corner. Slow down for the corner a bit. Give it a bit more beans. There we go. Corner coming up, slow down a bit. Brembo brakes, keep it going. Keep your foot on the throttle. All the way to 6th gear. I fucked that up. Was meant to go to 4th, but you know, run up chocolate gearboxes. Is what it is. We're still pulling. Back down into 5th. Slow down a bit. Couple cyclists. Lovely. Back into 4th. Come on, man. Such a great car. Honestly, if you haven't driven one, I highly recommend you to go drive one, and you will see what I'm talking about, mate. Like, I'm shitting the fattest bricks right now, going around the corners, but I feel safe because Renault put the time into making this car a fucking beast. But yeah, that's what we got. So yeah, it's pretty good. Give it a bit more beans, a bit more beans. Slow down a bit, corner, give it some welly, down the hill, keeping on it. Whoa, slow down a bit. I lied, we're speeding up. Whoa, overtake. Lovely, mate. 4th gear, mental, mate, mental. All the way down. Oh, crazy. That's just 4th gear. We still got 2 more gears. The fuck you talking about? Beans! Alright, let's slow down a bit now. Crazy. 6th gear. Don't want to use all my fuel now. Because fuel's expensive up in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, there you have it. Clio 197 POV shot by Shamsi on his private road. Shamsi's a rich person, man. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Behind this Kia, it's all good. But yeah, with that being said, it's your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace.